Caresses the remote and the press. Any man you did not carry, you can't control that man. You can't have that man. It's a good play. The body, the system of men in general, reject force. Man can only tolerate force from God, but they can't tolerate force from humanity. Be it man, be it woman. Men don't tolerate it. But that is not the message. But I want to use the opportunity to punch this one in. And finally, because of submission, Samson wasn't stupid, but something made him to be stupid. At that time, Ophiro, get that to us in one more. How are you missing? Like I'm going to after all, now I come to you. Because the wife says, I'm not going to prove it. In those days, sir, pause the video. That is why most of us are still suffering today. That is why most of us, in the place of their work, they cannot be promoted. And every promotion goes with increment in salary. That is why you see people suffering where they're supposed to be ruling. That is why you see people serving where they're supposed to be in charge. Because of apology. Can they walk? Anyway, you went to Abuja with me? Thank God my wife went there with me. Osas was there before we came. Immediately I entered the podium. From the gate, my father was on altar ministering. My presence distracted the administration. Being a white man he is, he said, let these people that are coming in, including the wife, be recognized. The pastors on the altar, but I saw the wife greeting my father. Before I started finished greeting the woman of God, in the public of the government, always seems so humble. You came here in the presence of the congregation. Over, can you count how many thousands that are here? You came here instead of you to come and greet your father. You now went and started greeting my sons. Or lie down before the congregation. Were you there? Yes. What did I do? I lied down, removed my suit, and tender apology. What thing concern those people? I know them. If I did not come there, would they know me? What thing concern me? If the Edo didn't make me up, will they see me in this world? No. Is it not because they are hearing my name? That's why they are greeting me. So how can I, because of stupidity, of nonsensicality of people, and lose my identity? Within a land, poor flat, not more than anyone. Were you not there? Were you not there? Yes, sir. But pastors of these days cannot do it. I talk of boys cannot do it. To talk of men. I said, on the altar, every congregation was seeing me. Even if my wife, but there was something like I expected my wife to have done, but she's a shy type. She would have rushed that time. Just to look dinner already. Papa, show me. It was all really cold. I don't know whether it's what Papa said. They were not here. Which means he had that one here. He see me have to come up the window all day. But I don't know my papa. Who never want to be out because every from each talk I walk on a melody go be out. And one of manners. If you want to intimidate me with the shame, why can I want to shame? I was lying down. No. The brother Jesus Christ, the care of his son. After some minutes, he said, Uncle, my son, no. The teacher said, this thing happened 18th of June last week, or last month. Can I ask you a question? If you go to that altar, maybe you are coming to that church, that Abuja branch, for the first time today, and you move there, will you see me still lying down there? People that came new, they can never know something like that. Why is people too arrogant to save their destiny in the time of pandemic? It's not the first time it happened. The other time I went there with you, even though I was sick, and Papa knows that I'm sick. Papa was ministering, coming to the direction from the minister. All the ministers were sitting down. He took a shot at the boat. I don't know the thing. We never know what. Solution now, Bumbo. The pastor, Punabodagi. I'm not going to go to before you see. Nakuloko upon the hand of you are Kanamokana. Who doesn't have long. No, the Kanawan. Yen and Nantin. Busa. New man. And Papa Monamoka money because we all take it to the beach. Monoman was not behind. I'm not one of my water. When I'm one of them, don't hear a children. Get you about Campus Busa. And I came also, Mzezia, or that new solution. Busa. No water. Yet. But also, in the presence of God, Juliano, what do you know now? See a person. All that's whatever they will shoot. Russia, they don't know. Je sais, you, a premier move, qu'est-ce qu'il y a là? Quoi les moves? That's the obligation of Abraham. Maybe some side. Or maybe that way they are. You need to know and devise a means to succeed in the presence of your masters. Picture Maria, Instablog, Google, all promotion because we are more fun than Facebook. Nobody has to go to prophet. Facebook, can you imagine? At times, certain disaster can be of advantage. If you are not proved, tested and tried, you cannot be promoted. Today, where are they? They are put out and they suit. Onya Amarula today is now the second in command. If you don't know, the certificate used to register kingdom place nationwide is with me. Papa said, open branches any place you want. Any branch you open is under you. Cool kingdom place. Can you understand it? Humility commands to start church. And I'm saying it now. People will not still learn. Except I come the war. I'm not telling you stories. I'm telling you facts. When will you be tired of this condition? Since I bought this car, I can get people have hit this car up 7 times. And they want to pass the ship. The first person put motor never found. The first day I came here with this, going home for night visit. Now I will let you walk. I'm going Bezos, LOS, 3 cards. Now also, we will not be doing the move. You need to move. Wow! Now, check your motor for him. Buy your motor. Bully your motor. Motor that, you cannot hear. Scream here, bomb here. Parasota and no. My mom, one of my other chair, police. Not sit. Letters. Madame Umberto. nene moto afuka mi yona ko nsa ko kesi ku moto abune moto ero moto usika nje ngoro mechanic opo n'ụzọ gba ọkụ nene nke fara moto ya gwụrụ anwụ nje nene metụ ya aka ka mma nọrọ ịba ndụ ọ bụrụ na ọ dị ndụ mgbe moto bụrụ moto iwe na mechanic rosi mechanic na-enweta ihe akụrụ moto na moto ma agwụ n'ahụ ọsị nke ebe si pịa nsị ya nọ n'azụ ọsị mbụrụ moto nnaba na onye ọbụla kụrụ moto a n'azụ eje moto n'azụ ya bụtara nsị na ihe akara ụta bunye moto ọsị mbuli ya naba mgbe orere n'azụ ya niile bụ baa ka etinyere ihe nsị etinyere n'ihu ọsị na nke ihu bidoro afta ọkụ atara ya onwe bụ onye kụrụ mgbe ọnya polisi ihe bụ ọsị gị na kọmishọn akụkọ m onwe na-arụ onye bọs na-ekete mmadụ anyị ka eke ime kapụ era na Joseph bụ echi iji ọkpọ wee na-eme ihe nye weta ego ka ihe ụlọ mụta ihe o ji na pasent asacha ya hipi akpa disenta wee na-akụ moto milion ndị a na-ahapụ na onye ahụ ahapụ na onye a ka anyị na-anyị ndị ego moto mana nsogbu nke mmadụ alụ anama ala ya na onwere onye ahụ n'oge njọ mkpochi very simple. Whenever you adapt the attitude of trying to endure many people, when you begin to money, you know what they begin. You never know. Mona cheap is a way what today. Of course, when we are going because my 20 in the year before I can number 21. Or I can number 21. Four police man, one. Go one, go to go to go. You police say, "Oh, you dey wicked." So only what this man do you now, but 20 you know, because I have a confidence of myself. Pray, ask God to baptize you with spirit of answer. Open your mouth and pray right now. Pray. To baptize you with the spirit of answer. If you need to pray, there is success in apology. There is open door in apology. You are the God that opens every door. You are the God that makes it to walk. You are the Lord that makes blind eyes to see. You are the God that gives us victory. I say, Alpha and Omega, we worship you. Say it loud. We worship you. Worship in sincerity. We worship you. Everybody worship him. Worship him in sincerity. We worship you. Lord, we worship you. We worship you. Hey! We worship you. I studied them. I memorized them. I had it in my brain of Ragana. And I decided, oh, we are not going to fall. If I fall in the West, I can't be a failure in the South. If I fall in the North, I can't fall in the East. There must be a place, a platform, a position, a location meant for me to succeed. All I have to do is to keep on searching for that position, that location. Somebody say one day, shout it one day, you will kind of see where you are meant to be. Hey! You will worship me. We worship you. We worship you. even at the point of death, cannot tender apology. That he punches out useless blame. Hey man, when did they call you Jesus Christ or what? Or Rabbi? I didn't say you get power. But here you are on the cross with us. Okay, if you get power, save yourself and save us now. Is it not mockery sentence? Hey, the one that is wise, that have learned his lesson in prison, show him and say, hey, the boy, shut up. This man did nothing. This master deserves nothing like this. It is me and you that are supposed to die like this. And this man turned to Jesus because he has said the right word. When you say the right word, you have the right thing. When you say the right word, you have the right word. And he said, Master, I only pray for one thing. Remember me in your paradise. And Jesus turned and said, hey! Today, not tomorrow. Because, almost say, me I copper. Maxima copper. Stena mayem, get that you move. Always here today. When all the come to man on our what is that thing that is making you to say I'm sorry? Sorry is not meant for anyone. And every man, you have the right to say sorry to your son. You have the right to say sorry to your child, to your female child. A pastor, you have the right to say sorry to your worker. Hey, a monitiro, you have the right to say sorry to your worker, to your congregation. Congregation, you have the right to say sorry to your pastor. Woman, you have the right to say sorry to your husband. What is that thing that is the problem? In the office where you are working, in that place you are working, you have the right to say, I'm sorry. When you say it, hey, Bible say, laughter, red eyes. Say, a gentle word comes and tempts sweet. Apology. I'm saying this. Many are looking at me. To leave this gate and continue the same man. I have them in workers. They can never tell you something. I have them in pastors. They can never accept their fault. Even when they are wrong and too erroneous, you get them corrected. From that day, they will begin to look at this one now. By the way, me and you are we the same age. If you talk of age, you are just ordinary alphabet. Not alphabet, numeric number. Because you don't get sense. And someone that gets sense is correcting you. And they are saying, who are you? Give me this one. Who am I, Jesus? The first.
Oh, who am I, Jesus? You are full of me. It's good the view that's rejected as we go home. Who am I? Who am I? Who love me? It's good the view that's rejected as we go, as we go. Who am I?
It is very disheartening, very, very appalling, very declining and lamentable, very acclaimed that a defaulter who merited his offense is talking to the Holy of Holies. Sometimes. Okwu ịma aka ka ịma aka anyị ejebe ịgbakwa ndị ha kwasịrị ime n'ugwu. You are going nowhere with it. Blow at the keyboard. You are not too close to me, but you think you are close. But this is my wife. The little years she has lived today, there is none of my mentor. There is none of my predecessors. There is none of my big men and chiefs that I have issue with. That's it. Even the ones people cannot go and knock at their gate. If I knock, they say, who is that? When I say, I'm watching them now. From where? From hey, whatever is with them, man. Something just happened in our plaza where we're doing our business 2 weeks ago. The owners for the plaza came. They said, lock every shop, about 700 shops, that the old shops are going to pay storage 3,600 for 7 years. Order from federal government and state government. And I was not there. And the boys giving the instruction started locking people's shop. I wasn't there, my wife wasn't there. It was only Nature and my secretary was there. These guys came to my shop with the security vigilance of the market. They began to whisper to themselves, don't lock this man shop. Some said, wow. People that bypass that, no, don't lock this. He is not aware. Because if he is aware, he will have paid. Don't lock this man shop. They were debating among themselves. Why I was somewhere praying up. My wife was, we were in Abuja, yes, I remember. We went for Abuja program. They didn't bother to call me on phone. They all waited until I came back. When I came back, I saw some people's shop locked. I now asked the chairman of the market, what is happening? He said, Pastor, oh, nobody told you. All that came from the owners and stakeholders that all shops that have not paid storage from the year 2014 to date has to pay it. 3,600 times both months into 7 years. Pastor, that is why all people's shops are locked. So people that are tenants are calling their landlord. Some landlords are not in Nigeria, they travel. So their shops are locked. But Pastor, we battle that nobody is going to lock your shop. Pastor, you know why? Since you are in this market, you are in this market. It pays. Somebody it pays. It pays. Can you wisdom? What go get that book? Eh? Gadeba. Me. A well wisdom. Can chair no be more. And I decided not to pay. I decided not to pay. You see my word, I just fantastic. 1 week ago, how much? One week ago, see. Now I can pay some more. See anything. Come on, here I will heavy. Another 1 week, they did not. Yeah. After 3 weeks, I just was a good accident. I saw a young guy, and I paid. I cannot be in that place. Police, I didn't remember the rest. Man of market. And I didn't remember the rest. Man of market. I can't side a fool. When I give you them marking with problem. If you are my favorite girl, my favorite man, my favorite guy, my favorite, even if my wife, you have a problem. Or go there, I will look into the matter. Very consider what causes it. Many guys, by the time I figure it and break it up, those you know, policy environment, say, okay, what you consider. In case of okay, consider my answer. Apology. Oscar the go senior brother and junior brother. It has scattered fathers, parents, and children. It has scattered in-laws. It has scattered cousins. It has scattered uncles and aunts. It has scattered men of God and fellow men of God. Ordinary apology, simple apology. I don't know whether it's up to 8 letters. Okay, let it be up to 8 letters. How many? A, B, O, 7, which is perfect. To tell you there is power in this, when you exhibit it, it perfect the matter. People find it hard to do. Do you know where the thing is sleeping? The place where the thing is sleeping most is in the house of God and in the marriage. These two places. People they live in office. Carry my nose every salary. What I carry to carry my nose every. And as yes, sir. And I beg you, you can't say so. Am I making sense? It's the spirit that is behind it. Place your right hand on your head. My Father, my baby. This spirit and power of I know too much. That is making me to blame others instead of myself. It's time to get away from my life. In the mighty name of Jesus, leave my life alone. Open your mouth and make it a prayer. Pray, 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 pray. Leave my life alone. Pray it to all your strength. In the mighty name of Jesus, put the hand in your pocket and bring out the seed to display. Put for you. Call your name on that seed. Say, God, this attitude, I never knew it can hinder me. I never know that it's the problem why I'm still where I am. But now I know. God, let this altar take it. Bring out the seed. Pray on that seed. Don't wait for any special prayer. If you finish your own, you come and drop it on the altar. If you have your time, prepare your time.